Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening to our captain speaking. My name is Fatima Nabeel. I'm sharing the cockpit today with my colleague Rodriguez. I'd like to welcome you all on board on behalf of the crew of Qatari Flight 834 from Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar to Bangkok in Thailand. The flight time today will be around 5 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, short of Charlie. Right is clear.
Ground is stop safely.
Right side is clear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Lights on.
Thank you, morning. 327 Juliet, contact tower, 118.525, good day. 131, holding point 34 right.
Taxi full length, Alpha holding point, runway 34 right, apply 131.
Apply 1342, taxi full length, Alpha holding point 34 right.
Unflex 70, SRS runway, auto thrust blue.
Checked. Thrust set.
Alpha 652, taxi Alpha 2, holding point 34 right.
Continue holding point Alpha 2, 34 right, Alpha 652.
100 knots.
Checked.
Continue approach runway 34 right, Alpha 5 and left on Bravo, Banana 5.
Rotate.
Ground, good morning, I fly 1342, holding short Charlie on Alpha 1.
Alpha 1342, Hamadi, good morning, taxi full length, Alpha holding point 34 right.